Very good morning, all of you. Welcome to the lesson tutorials. Very good morning. So, let me introduce myself. My name is Suraj, and today I am going to explain complex number. आज हम लोग कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर देखेंगे. कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर होता क्या है, ठीक. उसके पहले इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट में आ जाते हैं. इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट क्या है? तो हमारे पास इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट है कि समझो हमारे पास एक कोई इक्वेशन है, कोई भी इक्वेशन ले लो. फॉर एग्जांपल वी हैव एक्स स्क्वायर plus 1 which is equals to 0. We have this equation. Okay. Now if we are going to solve the root of this equation, what is root? The value of x, correct? So if we are going to solve the root of this equation, then it will x square is equals to minus 1 and x is equal to square root of minus 1. And we know that square root of minus 1 is not exist in real numbers. Now we are going to extend our set. Now we have the set of real numbers, so we have to extend our set in such a large set where we can get the value of this. Okay. Now the mathematician Leonhard Euler, the mathematician name is Leonhard Euler, who discovered first time or who introduced first time the letter, it's a Greek letter iota, small I, which is called it as iota, and the value of iota is given by him is square root of minus 1. Okay. Now we are discuss about complex number. So first we will go for the definition of complex number. तो complex number की definition क्या है? A number of the form a plus ib. This is the form. This is a single number, or it's a number of the form a plus ib where a and b belongs to the real number and the value of I is square root of minus 1. The value of I is square root of minus 1. This is our basic definition of complex number. Now we will see an examples, and also it's denoted by, it is denoted by small z. The complex number is denoted by small z. That is, small z is equals to a plus ib. Now look at carefully. If अगर हम बेसिक्स अच्छे से देख लेते हैं, हमारा जो बेसिक नॉलेज जो क्लियर हो जाता है, तो सब हमारे लिए आसान हो जाएगा. तो अभी हम देखेंगे कि ये हमारा क्या था, डेफिनेशन था. इसमें हम लोगों ने क्या मिला, z इक्वल टू ए प्लस आई बी. अभी हम देखेंगे व्हाट इज a, व्हाट इज b. नाउ दिस होल नंबर इज अ कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर, ओके, व्हिच इज डिनोटेड बाय z. हियर व्हाट इज a is the real part. Now look at carefully, these two are real numbers, but b कहाँ पे है, i के साथ है. i क्या है, इमेजिनरी नंबर है, ठीक है. तो b हमारा क्या हो जाएगा, इमेजिनरी पार्ट हो जाएगा. a हमारा क्या हो जाएगा, रियल पार्ट. तो जो भी आयोटा के साथ रहेगा, जो भी i के साथ रहेगा, उसको हम इमेजिनरी पार्ट बोलेंगे और इसको हम रियल पार्ट. तो a हमारा क्या हो जाएगा, रियल पार्ट ऑफ z. And what is b? b is imaginary part of z. Okay. So what is a, real part of z? What is b? Imaginary part of z. Now further, the set of complex number is denoted by capital C. Set. We know that Z, the complex number is denoted by Z, but the set of complex number is denoted by capital C, and which can be written as Z equals to A plus IB, such that A comma B belongs to real number and I is equal to square root of minus 1. This is our set. Okay. Now we are going to see some examples. Okay, what is the examples of complex number? So look at carefully. We have Z is equals to 2 plus 3i, correct? 2 plus 3i. This is a complex number. Now here, what is the real part of Z? 2. Real part of Z is equals to 2. Real RE of Z means real part of Z. What is imaginary part of Z is 3. जो भी I के साथ रहेगा with symbol, वो क्या हो जाएगा हमारा imaginary part. Another example हम देखेंगे, जैसे हमारे पास है 2 प्लस समझो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ -16 दिया है. अब यहाँ पे I नहीं है I, ध्यान से देखो. What is I? अब हम लोग इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं? 2 प्लस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 16 इंटू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ -1. सर्च लॉ हमने देखा था, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ m इंटू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ n इज इक्वल्स टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ m इंटू n. And we can write -1 square root of -1 as I. So here we can write 2 square root of 16 is 4 and this is I. Now this is looks same like Z equals to A plus IB. So here real part of Z is 2 and imaginary part of Z is 4. So this is our introduction part. In our next video we will going to learn about what is addition of complex number, what is multiplication of complex number, etc. etc. Okay, thank you.
Hey guys, just subscribe to our channel for more videos, like and share, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.